Hey guys, it's Josie, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I moved out, so I'm going to give you a quick apartment tour. I am moved in with my best friend, and I haven't really posted anything recently because it was kind of last minute. We were planning to move around September or October, but we ended up moving at the beginning of August, and it was just a pretty quick process of getting moved in. So I didn't film any like moving videos or anything like that, but let's just get right into the tour. So this is the front door here. We just have this little mat and then this light green curtain in front of it. We also have some pictures and a clock. And then over to this side is the kitchen, which I will get to in a moment. So off to this side is the living room. So we have a shoe rack beside our couch. And then we have this pretty big window, and I actually made this curtain and the curtain in the kitchen from a bed sheet. So I will have a video on that soon. But we just have a big window, and then we only have one picture right now, but I'm sure we will add more to it. And then we have a basket of blankets in the corner, our TV stand, and our TV. Over here we just have this little cart of like snacks and things, and we also put our keys over there, and there's some candles and coasters as well. And then another picture over there. And then over here is the kitchen. So we have an island here. We're still waiting on some stools for it. We're gonna put 3 over here, and then we're gonna put a 4th one in the closet for extra seating. We have our garbage can. We have this little runner here. I put this little ghost tray out because I'm super excited for Halloween and fall. We have some fall flowers here, and then we have this other window in the kitchen. I just have a plant in it right now. Again, the video on the curtains will be up soon. And then we have some drawers, a stove, an oven. We just have some cooking stuff up there, and all along the top is our cups and everything. We also have a dishwasher, which I'm really happy about. Sink, microwave, and some extra storage down there. We also have storage in the island itself, so that's always good. Over here is our fridge, and then through this hallway we just have a closet over here. We've put our like cleaning supplies and everything in. On this side is my best friend's room, and I'm obviously not gonna go in there and show it just for privacy reasons, but it's basically mirrored to my room, so I will show you my room last, but you'll get the idea. Over here we have a washer and dryer, and then we just have some laundry stuff up here. And then in this corner is our bathroom, and it just looks like this. We have a little closet here, and then we also put this little painting in here because it like matches the shower curtain and the bath mat and everything, so we just thought it was super cute. And then around this way is my room. Again, we're still kind of moving in, so everything's a little bit all over the place. But I have my bed here, and I have my short dresser over there as my side table again. I have this little picture hanging up because they already had a couple nails in the wall. There's one here and there's one over there. So I just went ahead and hung up this picture. And then again, you can see my short dresser as my side table over there. And then my bed, I also have a mirror, and this basket on the ground just has some squishmallows in it. And then over here is my closet, so I just have some clothes. I did leave a lot of clothes and stuff at my parents' house just because they're not that far from me, so I can go and grab whatever I need whenever I need. But I did bring some clothes here, obviously, so I can have clothes on a day-to-day basis. I have some bed sheets up there, just some random things, my hair straightener and curler. And then down here I have my laundry basket, and then I have this cube shelf that has like hoodies and sweatpants and pajamas, all sorts of things in it. And then I have some clothes that I just folded, put on top, so they're not 100% put away, but they're still in here. And then these bags on the floor have clothes and a set of bed sheets from my parents' house. So again, we're still getting settled in, but this is basically it so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked my apartment, and if you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!